Hi guys, I will open this HTC 626S. First we're gonna open the back cover of the phone, and then I'm gonna take the loose. I'm gonna use the Phillips screwdriver for to take off the screw from the back, take off the cover, and then I'm gonna remove all this screwdriver right here, and then the sticker by the battery. Only 2 screws for the Phillips screwdriver. And the rest is a store. See how the store start right here, screw right here, and then there are another screw under the motherboard. You need to pay attention to it. I had opened all the screw and then I use this plastic to open from the back. We just go around the phone. Start remove take off some flap right here and bury cable. Let's take off the flap from the battery first. I use the tweezer. Now remove the battery. You can use the hard because there are some adhesive under the battery. You have to careful, don't insert it too deep from the inside. You may tear some the coat, like the wrap of the battery. See, there are adhesive on the side right here. On the side also. Okay, next I'm gonna take off those yellow tape right here to cover this flap. You can use your finger now. Open the lock. Okay. Take off the flap of the lock. This one right here, one right here. Now you can see the flathead. Let's see what it is, the flathead. To lift up the battery because they are connector go on the motherboard. The flathead. Another lock right here. Remember, there's another, you can see the flathead. There are another flat that's the connect the motherboard.